The BlueCat ExtraHop plugin enhances the visibility and resolution of errors and threats to help maintain resource uptime. Let's jump into a demo. You can see here I have the zone example.com with a number of records in it. I also have a script on the left-hand side performing reverse lookups for these records. A very common occurrence in customer environments I see is reverse records being missing for one reason or another. As ExtraHop is observing traffic on the network, it can see these failed lookups occur, and it can send a request to repair that particular PTR record. So let's go ahead and create that issue, and then we'll watch it as it gets solved. I'm going to go ahead and remove the reverse record for c.example.com. This will show up very quickly in DNS. You can see on the left-hand side, in the next couple lookups, it will no longer be able to find c.example.com. We provided an endpoint where we can send that IP address, and we're able to do our own lookup within the context of BlueCat to understand what that record should be repaired to. So I will send a request to please repair the IP address 10.0.0.10. You can see here that it successfully created the PTR record, and on the left-hand side, you can see it already is able to find that in DNS again. If I go over to BlueCat Gateway, I can actually see the repair records that have occurred. I'll go ahead and refresh, and you can see the event that just occurred right now. That's BlueCat's ExtraHop plugin. Visit bluecatnetworks.com to learn more.